जो बच्चे पेपर दे रहे हैं वो मेलोडी की बात सुन के ही करेंगे।
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है जो मैं उसकी पोटेंशियल पे बिलीव करूं।
The biggest problem of our Indian political system is
Nobody takes responsibility. हमें कोई जनता पार्टी नहीं चाहिए जहाँ पे वो हमें बोले कि जाओ जाके प्रोटेस्ट करो।
अगर यूथ कुछ ना करे तो वो निकम्मा, और अगर वो कुछ कर रहा है तो पहले क्यों नहीं किया।
मीडिया इज एक्चुअली साइलेंट।
मोदी जी ही keep on criticizing Nehru ji. They never talk about development.
We should kill that cockroach or we should crush that cockroach.
ये तो अगर आप न्यूज चैनल पे देखो आपको क्या दिखेगा, मोदी जी की छाती 46 इंच की है या
56 इंच। Cockroach Janata Party, a joke, a moment, or a future politics. Hello everyone, I am G. Welcome to Unfiltered Bharat. Today we are going to discuss some topics, important topic related to this politics or this new kind of politics. We'll try to find out what the students have to say about it. Presently I am joined with a person, my friend sitting here, Sunil, who has worked in this media field for almost 15 years. He has a vast experience. He is one of the person who recently attended this Cockroach Janata Party.
हमें ये कोकरोच नहीं चाहिए।
वहाँ मुझे भारत के अलग अलग राज्यों से आए लोगों से मिलने और बात करने का मौका मिला, और आज फिर हम आपसे कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी के बारे में आपकी राय जानेंगे।
सबसे पहले मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से यही है कि कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी एक मजाक है या एक मूवमेंट है या एक नई पॉलिटिक्स की शुरुआत है?
Now it's a movement. If you had asked me early what is it, so I would say it's a satire. But the way people are joining in this movement, I would say prestigious scientist Sonam Wangchuk, he has also joined this movement. And many people, they have openly shared their opinion and they are protesting on roads. And I would say it is actually needed. Because nowadays you can see, media is actually silent. It don't do anything. They never raise question about paper leakage. They never ask question about what is going on in our country. They just only talk about religious, Hindu, Muslim, and you can see that casteism is quite here.
Okay, yes, Ashish.
It is definitely a movement as of now, and in future even if they become a political party, I would not mind, because that's how we have got all the political parties. They want to keep out because of a movement.
Point.
We got BJP, we got SP or PSP, and recently we got
Aam Aadmi Party.
TVK.
Aam Aadmi Party, best
And,
example.
We have enough space for many more parties. What is wrong with that? So they should be accountable of how they are spending their money, and if they are not answerable to us, so whom they are answerable? We give them power for 5 years, and we have all the rights to ask them. So as of now, it's definitely a movement, but I can see them becoming a party.
The question is, what is the real thought behind this cockroach? Because cockroach, if we look at, it's a very derogatory word.
Right.
And as far as I can remember, before this party came into existence, people did not like this word very much. And suddenly everybody seems so proud to call themselves, I am cockroach, I am cockroach. So what do you think, what can be the real agenda and motive behind it?
First of all, we need to look at this, why they choose this cockroach as their mascot of this political party. The reason behind that, other political parties have their mascot and it signifies whatever they shows the ability of their party, or it display what sort of a point of view they have. Like for example, they talk about this Aam Aadmi Party. They use the broom. Why? Because this claim that we are coming from the street and we are for the local party. But if you look at in the context of Cockroach Janata Party, generally people are this thing that it's a very derogatory term. Cockroach are seen a thing that lives in a very dirty thing. But you don't look at this thing that cockroach is also known for its durability, its resilient, his ability to survive in a harsh climate. Same goes with the youth also. But if you look at the Indian context, what is a youth going through?
Very nice.
They're going through unemployment, they're going through paper leaks, they're going through lack of basic amenities.
We all know that cockroach is like accountability, or we can say is known as a dirt. Like in India only, like in any place you will see, like people will only see cockroach and they will say that it is a dirt, we should kill that cockroach or we should crush that cockroach. So I think in the commencement only the government is giving us a sign that you all guys will be crushed one day. You guys are just the dirt of India, so you just should support the BJP. I think like they are just they just wanted us to support BJP. That's why they told us that you are a cockroach and you should now support Cockroach Janata Party because you guys are dirt and you will be crushed one day. So I think that's why they have kept the name of Cockroach Janata Party, not a Lion Janata Party.
Since we are talking about this political thing, I have a follow-up question. What is the biggest problem with today's political system? As Ashish said somewhere, we have a lot of scope to have another party. Do you really think that we need another party? Are people really fed up with the existing parties? So actually the youth is looking for some new thing. or it is just transitory, it's only for some short time?
Sir, I found that this problem is biggest in our political system. That is, like our political parties or leaders of our political parties. If I say that Modi ji, he keep on criticizing Nehru ji, and this Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, they always criticize each other in Delhi, but they never do development. They never talk about development. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he always talk about this develop India by 2047. Now on 2 days only, like on Independence Day and then Republic Day. But he always criticize other parties. He never see that how many loopholes are there in his party only. So I found that this is the biggest problem.
Now, as compared to previous government, if we take the example of this government, they are not reliable, they are not accountable, and they are not giving any press conference, any statement into the media. Like if we take the example of our PM, so he does two things, like he Man Ki Baat as well as Pariksha Pe Charcha. But according to his preference, according to his environment, according to his favorite questions, I would say the biggest problem of our Indian political system is lack of accountability, and they are not giving any speech or anything in front of media.
Nobody takes responsibility or nobody takes accountability. For example, 2 incidents happened in South Delhi, a building collapsed, and other one is fire broke out in Maknagar, and many people suffered a lot, but nobody is here to take action, a good action, or call their jail with the honor. But at that time when they were constructed the building, तब PMI's government. So the biggest problem is they are not accountable and they are not responsible.
So यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम सब ने बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स की बात की, तो वन थिंग इज क्लियर, पीपल आर फेड अप. तो आपको लगता है कि क्या इन सब का सोल्यूशन कहीं लोग इस पार्टी के अंदर ढूंढ रहे हैं, या अभी कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है तो ये पार्टी ही दिख रही है इसलिए यहाँ पे? तो एक क्वेश्चन आप सभी से है कि आपको क्या लगता है कि एंड हाउ मच सीरियसली वी कैन टेक दिस पार्टी?
It is not a solution, but definitely it is a attention of the platform. And because the just 2 days after when the increasement of the followers, so they completely back that accounts and the Instagram handles and all, where people are unite and showing their outrage towards the government. So I think the excessive control towards the government.
हमें कोई जनता पार्टी नहीं चाहिए जहाँ पे वो हमें बोले कि जाओ जाके प्रोटेस्ट करो. प्रोटेस्ट बहुत पहले से होते आए हैं, बहुत चीज़ें पहले से होती हैं, लेकिन आज तक हमें सोल्यूशन नहीं मिला. हमें एक प्रैक्टिकल सोल्यूशन चाहिए. हमें कॉकरोच जैसा नाम नहीं चाहिए. हम पहले से ही तुम्हें गवर्नमेंट, ये कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी पहले से ही तुम्हें अवेयर कर रही है कि तुम लोग कॉकरोच हो, तुम लोग बस रास्ते में रहने के लायक हो, तुम नाली में ही रहने के लायक हो. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सपोर्टिंग कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी, यू शुड थिंक अबाउट अ प्रैक्टिकल सोल्यूशन, नॉट दैट वी आर कॉकरोच, सी वी विल डू दिस एंड दैट. वी आर राइट नाउ अ कॉकरोच and someday we will become a tiger. You are a cockroach and you will always become a cockroach only. So you should support that. What are you supporting?
I don't think they themselves want to become a political party, but they want to make everybody aware that when we give vote to them, we should ask them questions, serious questions. Let's talk only about education right now, because that's the backbone of any society. At least they should be able to conduct fair examination. That's their only ask. We are here not asking about unemployment and anything. Let's not talk about it. Let's not get into it. But the basic question should be, why are you not able to conduct examinations? I mean, that's the only thing. And they are doing absolutely right.
So question is it really a solution?
It's a movement. Why, like, what else should we do? Should we only post something on social media? Should we go on our Instagram, only post a story and we should feel regret? But then next day when I wake up, I go out in the same society where I see same discrimination happening with the student, with the youth. So at least I am doing something. At least he did something. The founder did something. He started something. He want to hold people accountable. That's a start.
सर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें अभी पता नहीं है कि सॉल्यूशन है नहीं है, पर ये एक होप जरूर है. इस पार्टी के थ्रू लोग एटलीस्ट अवेयर हो रहे हैं. अवेयर होना बहुत जरूरी है. इससे सरकार पे प्रेशर बनता है कोई काम करने का. नहीं तो अगर आप न्यूज़ चैनल पे देखो आपको क्या दिखेगा, मोदी जी की छाती 46 इंच की है या
56 10 इंच कम.
आपको क्या लगता है जो बच्चे पेपर दे रहे हैं वो मेलोडी की बात सुन के ही करेंगे? कोई नहीं करने वाला.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
दे आर ट्राइंग, और ट्राई करते करते लोग कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है एटलीस्ट एक होप है, बढ़िया चीज़ है.
एकजुट करना वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है एक इंसान के लिए. अगर वो इंसान कर रहा है, वो इंसान लोगों के लिए, अपने लिए आवाज़ उठा रहा है, तो वो अच्छी बात है. हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम उसको अगर वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम उसका सपोर्ट करें.
बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात ये है कि जो इसका फाउंडर है वो उसने एक इंटरव्यू में ये कहा कि जब मैं वापस आ रहा था तो मेरी मदर रो रही थी और कह रही थी कि नहीं, इंडिया आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है जब ये मूवमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा था, बिकॉज हिज फैमिली वॉज फेयरिंग दैट हिज लाइफ इज़ इन डेंजर. So this is also a reality of this time, that when somebody is organizing this kind of movement, so he is directly the target of government. How far it is, only time will tell us. But yes, there is a danger looming on him or the people who are running this party. We'll get back to another questions. Anybody else last who would like to say anything on this? क्या आपको लगता है कि ये पार्टी एक सोल्यूशन है?
एक ये हमारे जो एक मूवमेंट है ये हमारा अगेंस्ट है एक करप्शन के लिए। वो नहीं चाहते कि उनके अगेंस्ट कोई बोले, कोई अपना जवाब दे।
I think it's a voice of frustrated youth. According to me, silence cannot, cannot solve unemployment. Because if you want to solve anything, you have to come out, you have to raise your voice, and the Cockroach Janata Party is doing so far.
So guys, towards the end, I want to ask one question, and the question is, all the established parties, we have so many established parties in India, do they really represent the youth? Or you think now country needs another new party?
चीज़ें हैं, उन्होंने हमारे को कॉकरोच बोला। अगर इस चीज़ पे एक्शन लिया जाता, जो अभी रूलिंग पार्टी है उसने अभी तक कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया इस चीज़ पे, कोई अपॉलॉजी नहीं आई है। अगर वो लोग यूथ को सपोर्ट कर रहे होते तो वो इस चीज़ का बिल्कुल वो करते, प्रोटेस्ट करते इसके लिए और इस चीज़ पे कोई एक्शन लेते। बट अभी तक कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया गया है, तो इस वजह से मेरे को लगता है कि एक नई पार्टी आनी चाहिए, जैसे कि कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी है।
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि ये एक पार्टी जो है एक बहुत मजबूत पार्टी है। ये लोग 24/7 वर्क करने वाले हैं, एक अच्छी साइकोलॉजिकल पार्टी है, अच्छे से करती है। सो दे कैन ट्राई, दे कैन, ये लोग उसको अच्छा कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एकदम से उस गवर्नमेंट को साइड कर दें।
अगर यूथ कुछ ना करे तो वो निकम्मा, और अगर वो कुछ कर रहा है तो पहले क्यों नहीं किया? आई मीन एटलीस्ट दे आर डूइंग समथिंग। अब वो कम से कम आए तो सही।
जब लोगों ने पार्टी बना दी, लोग सच्ची में कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो जो लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे वो इस पे आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं कि आप अब क्यों कर रहे हो? अब वो देर आया दुरुस्त आया, हिंदी में कहावत है, वो अभी भले ही देर आया पर एटलीस्ट आए तो है। और अगर ऐसे ही करते जाए तो मे भी देश का ही भला हो जाएगा।
आप में से किसी को 1 लाइन 2 लाइन इस पार्टी के लिए बोलना हो, फनी हो सकता है, सीरियस हो सकता है, जो आपके दिमाग में आता है इसको लेके, ट्राई टू रैप अप इन 1 or 2 लाइन्स।
सरकार से नहीं रहा प्यार, कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी कर रही नया उपचार।
हमें ट्राई करने का मौका देना चाहिए, तो 2014 से वो ट्राई कर रहे हैं। और रही बात ट्राई की, तो आई थिंक वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है जो मैं उसकी पोटेंशियल पे बिलीव करूं कि हाँ वो एक दिन चेंज हो जाएगा, प्यार तो करता ही है मुझसे। सो वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है। 2014 से वैसे भी उनकी पोटेंशियल अभी तक आ नहीं पा रही है, तो आई थिंक अब ब्रेकअप का टाइम आ गया है।
We need a platform to come out, because I truly believe that doing something is better than doing nothing.
So this was the opinions of students you have heard just now. How do you feel about this? What do you feel about the opinions given by so many students? Or rather they are the cockroach, or they are the real cockroach of this country. So please do write your comment section in this video, and do let us know that what you think about it. Is it really worth taking it seriously? Do we need to take it seriously, this cockroach party, or you think it was just a moment, it happened and finally it will be forgotten, just like many other things which are forgotten in this country very soon? We have another incident and this incident is gone. So will it be like this? Will it be the fate of this political movement? Or do you have a great hope like all the students sitting here? They have a hope, they want change. With this note, I will be taking leave from this discussion. Thank you so much for watching Unfiltered Bharat. I, Jeet and Sunil, we take off from this video.